Girls. They are our mothers, our sisters, our daughters. Without them, life would not exist. The girl child makes the world bright, but still struggles to see its light. At Daktari Africa, we believe good health is the foundation for all humanity, and without it, the pursuit for happiness, spirituality, purpose, education, and all that life has to offer would be futile. A girl with a healthy mind, body, and soul is a strong girl, and since girls are the pillars of society, a strong girl equals a strong world. If a girl has access to proper healthcare and education, then as she grows into a woman, she is bound to be more conscious of her family's health and well-being as well as their education. Daktari Africa, found at www.daktariafrica.com, is the proprietary website and mobile app designed to enable the better management of patients through harnessing smart IT solutions to improve healthcare, with a focus on helping connect patients to doctors. The website aims to facilitate the delivery of responsible and compliant healthcare to the general public by providing a platform where A. Patients can locate a qualified and vetted doctor or pharmacy from the directory provided. B. Pharmacies can direct patient queries to qualified doctors and help them obtain proper diagnosis and prescriptions. C. Doctors can carry out online consultations with patients at affordable fees. D. Patients can maintain personal health records, which will assist doctors in the tracking of patient data with a view to simplify communications, improve patient-centered care, and reduce the cost of that care.
We have a database of doctors, currently at about 400 doctors on our database and growing. And these doctors list their own professions and their own specialization. We also have a mobile application, a mobile app that you can download on the Google Play Store. And what this app does is it mirrors what's on the website. You'll be able to call this doctor. The call is at least about 15 minutes long, and you only pay a mere 500 shillings for 15 minutes advice. And once that call is done, you can then rate what kind of advice he gave.
Sure. And you do not have to relinquish that to anybody who...
Welcome to Mukurufuato Nyayo Slam. Daktari Africa visited an NGO known as Child Rock Initiative to realize our mission of delivering responsible, affordable, and compliant healthcare to the girl child, especially within impoverished areas.
Basically, we want to help our young boys and girls here to get in touch with a doctor. We have actually organized to use our mobile app and our website for them to be able to have a consultation with one of our medical specialists so that the girls can have an opportunity to talk to a medical practitioner.
Most of the children within the slum or the vulnerable society, they already have two ways of getting their income. If they don't make it to high school, which means they will get into criminal activities, which actually takes them few minutes now to shoot a gun. And in that scenario, we have lost so many children. So we came up with a sponsorship program to make them move to the next level of high school, then to the university or maybe to tertiary colleges.
So we are fortunate to be sponsored and supported by a group called Spring Accelerator, which accepted us last year. And this is an activity which falls within their line of action and also falls within ours.
First of all, we came for a field study, of course, and we discovered the main issues that were disturbing them were sexual health. Everything from early pregnancy to abuse. And we thought a psychologist would be the best person to come and just over the internet, online, speak to them and counsel them. And then from there, we'd get data from their feedback to actually apply on the app that we're trying to create, which now bridges the gap between the girl child and us specialists.
Meet the girls from Mirror of Hope, an NGO dedicated primarily to serving AIDS-affected children in the Kibra slums in Nairobi, Kenya.
And we also understand that health is not only just in the body, but health is everything concerning a human being. If you're not happy on the inside, your healthy body is not very useful to you, right?
These girls have been selected as Daktari Africa's test market to gauge the viability of our website and mobile app in the mass market.
So earlier on today we were learning about reproductive health, sexuality and reproductive health. And we're looking at it from a medical perspective. And the information that they got was very useful, just very pertinent to who we are as women. But along with that is, yes, now that I know how to use contraceptives, or that now that I understand what contraceptives are, now that I understand what the effects of abortion are on my emotion, what am I going to do with that information? That's where the music comes in. The music connects what we do in the medical field with who I am as a human socially and in terms of my place in the community.
The main objectives of this project were: 1. To connect girls to qualified and vetted health professionals, especially physicians, specialists, psychologists, and many more who can cater to their physical, psychological, and emotional needs. 2. To utilize smart IT solutions over web and mobile user interfaces to deliver professional healthcare to girls. 3. To allow health professionals to carry out online consultations with the girls at an affordable fee. By partnering with the NGOs that have the welfare of the girl child at the core of their activities, we were able to demonstrate how efficient and effective smart IT solutions could be in delivering real-time healthcare without the constraints of high consultation fees, distance travel to and from clinics, long waiting times, and a lack of doctors' availability.
What we're looking at is a more empowered country. Yeah, we want a strong Kenya, and Kenya is built on people. Yeah, we have a lot of natural resources, but our biggest and strongest resource are people. Yeah. So people meaning our brains, our attitudes, our spirit, our sportive attitude, our competitiveness. And sometimes, you know, it's like asking a soldier to go and fight, but he has a thorn in his leg. Sometimes it can be very small, but it causes a lot of pain. So similarly, our people sometimes can be very strong and powerful, but maybe there is something small there that's just stopping them from being champions.
We need girls in our society to be healthy. We need them to have affordable access to doctors from all specializations. We need them to have a channel to speak out and face their problems, however sensitive, for their psychological well-being. We need them to have hope that as a society, we are ready and willing to empower them as the pillars of our future. We call on all doctors. Join us in making responsible healthcare a reality for our girls. Give back to society with us and help realize a strong, healthy future generation. To sponsors and other partners, we are an organization doing what we can to bridge the gap between doctors and our girls. We need your support to tackle the daunting challenges of providing truly affordable healthcare. Your support is a great vote of confidence in our mission to make our girls strong and in turn strengthen our society as a whole. If you would like to join our efforts, kindly contact us at email ckkamodho@daktariafrica.com or by telephone on +254 722 919639. We look forward to hearing from you.